Hello people, we're in prison and I have recorded this to show you the huge mine, and you can see there's glowstone on the bottom and it's so huge. And it took a long time. We have 3 people here. Eventually they started out, I got an idea, started helping them. And yeah, then I started making my own, and then I randomly found it and they started joining, and now we have this huge mine. So I hope you go to the prison and then you can like make this huge mine. And that's all I came for, to just tell you this epic mine. We're gonna take you around this mine and probably mine these stuff as well. Let's go ahead and get this done, and I think there'll be a huge mine after we get this done. More people have been coming to help us, and that's all. And this is an epic mine, isn't it? Look at it. Just look at it. It is so huge. It's bedrock all around. So this is the most you can mine in the whole game of prison. The most you can mine. Like, we're on the very bottom. And we've completed like the whole square. And it is so cool. Look at it. Just look at it. It's just an epic mine. So you should call your friends to play prison and get all this and make a huge mine, and eventually call your friends and make an epic mine, and hope you enjoy just roaming around in the mine. So, yeah, bye anyway.